Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to remove the Android bottom bar and you are looking out how to do so, this is the method you can follow for that and you should be able to do it easily. So go to your device's settings for that, and once you access your settings you need to open up settings and go to display. And within display you should be finding different options available. You need to go over and find the option for navigation bar and go ahead and tap on it. Now, if you want to remove the button bar, so if you do not want buttons, this one right here, which should be appearing on your screen, you can just go over and look out for the swipe gestures instead, the second options, instead of the buttons. And that should basically go ahead and remove the Android button bar on your device. You can turn on this option for gesture hint if you want to show where you swipe up for the navigation gestures. You can also swipe up, left, or right across the hints to switch between applications. And you can even show button to hide your keyboard if you prefer. And that should generally remove the Android button bar. On some devices, you can long press the Google search bar on the home screen and look out for the remove or disable option if it appears. And that's it everybody. That's how you remove Android button bar. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.